Thank you, President Taoiseach. As we discuss with you the future of Europe, a future which I firmly believe must be based on more and stronger political integration in a number of areas, the Catalan Parliament is meeting for the first time again with a majority of members in favour of the Catalan Republic. But 8 members of this newly elected Parliament cannot be there right now sitting in the Catalan chamber because they are whether in jail or in exile. So the question is, do you envisage a European Union where honest politicians can be sent into exile or must be forced into jail because they fulfilled a democratic mandate? Do you envisage a European Union where, again, peaceful people are beaten by police forces just because they want to vote, they want to exercise a basic right? Do you envisage a European Union that looks the other way when it comes to democracy and basic rights within its borders? Thank you.
On Catalonia, and one of my favourite parts of the world, Barcelona is one of my favourite cities, I think the only solution is dialogue, and I hope that the central government in Madrid will engage in dialogue with the new government in Catalonia.